Hey guys, it's Jeanette again, and today I'm going to be filming a get ready with me. I am going to see Frozen 2 today. I actually saw it the day it came out, but I'm going again to see it, so I figured I would just film myself getting ready. So yeah, I hope you guys are gonna enjoy this video. So I'm just gonna quickly do my eyebrow. I'm just gonna use the eyeshadow palette that I'm going to be using is Mirror. So for the eyeshadow, I am going to be using the Urban Decay Full Spectrum palette. So first I'm just going to do my eyebrows using the Anastasia Brow Gel in the shade Auburn. Alright, now I'm going to be using the Urban Decay Primer Post. I'm going to pat this in with my finger. And I'm sure everyone thought it was going to be like all blue because Elsa, but actually I'm going to mix the colors Gossip and Seas right here and put that all in the crease and everything. I honestly really like the way that looks. Then I'm just going to do the same thing on the other eye. And then just build up the color to whatever intensity is desired. Then I'm going to take the primer potion again and just put it a little bit on the inner corner and the eyelid and take the shade Blindsided on my finger and pat that on. Alright, and then I just took the shade Iced again with my finger and just patting that on top, and I'm gonna pull it a little bit onto the outer corner too. Then I took the MAC Prep and Prime spray and sprayed it with the Iced shade on it and just put it directly into the inner corner. And now to just blend the edges, I'm going to use that same exact brush from before and just go in there. And go back with that brush that we used with the Iced shade and just go back on top because that brush kind of like got rid of some of the shimmer. So then normally to clean under here, I use this with a cotton round, but I ran out, so I'm just going to rip off a little piece of a cotton ball and put it on there instead. And just clean under the eyes. Then I'm going to use the It Superhero liner and just do a subtle wing. So I planned on doing a subtle wing, but then didn't exactly happen. So then since my camera's starting to like drain the battery, I'm gonna turn off the camera and then do my lashes, and I will be right back. Okay, so while I did that, I also put on mascara with the Stila Huge Lash Mascara, and I put the shades I used on my eyelids, on my lower lash line, and primed my face with the Urban Decay Self-Adjusting Primer and wet my beauty blender. So I'm going to be using the Too Faced Born This Way foundation and use this very dirty Tarte beauty blender. Probably going to use about 2 layers of it. And then I'm going to be using the Urban Decay All Nighter Concealer. And then beauty blend that in. And then I'm going to use the All Nighter Urban Decay Translucent Pressed Powder. And just put that all over my face. And now I'm going to be using the Too Faced Sweet Pie Bronzer. And then go back with the brush I used for the powder. And just softening out the... And then with the opposite end of that same brush, I'm going to be using the Too Faced Blinded by the Light highlighter. And while I'm at it, I'm just going to use that to highlight brow bone. And since I'm gonna be at the movies eating super greasy popcorn, I'm not really gonna do lipstick. I'm just gonna be using the EOS lip balm. But you know, actually I feel like I need a little bit of light color. I'm gonna use the Kat Von D liquid lipstick in the shade Lovecraft. There you have it. This is my makeup. And I feel like the camera doesn't necessarily give it justice. I feel like it looks a lot better than I imagined it would be. And I honestly really do like it. And then my hair, super easy. I've got this side shave that's growing out. So what I do is I just part it to that side. And then I'll be right back to show you what I will be wearing. Okay, so as for my outfit, I am wearing this sweater from PacSun and jeans from American Eagle and shoes from Charlotte Russe. So that is it for today's video. I hope you guys enjoyed. Comment down below any other videos you would like to see in the future, and I'll see you guys very soon in my next one. Bye! Well, that happened.